Good morning, family.
Afternoon.
Well, whatever time of day it is, wherever you are watching this, because it's most likely going to be 7:30 at night, because that's when we upload it.
Does your submarine need a screen door?
Does it? No. Why would a submarine need a screen door? You're so odd.
That's the joke.
You're odd.
No.
That would drown the submarine. Yeah, we told you this last night. If you would have watched us and subscribed to us.
Like 2 minutes that the video was up there.
Yeah, right? It was up there for a good hour and a half. But we were going to Busch Gardens. We have no clue what we want to do for lunch. We have a semi-plan of what to do for Busch Gardens. Look at the new Scare Zone decorations and see if they have anything else up. Like the stage in Oktoberfest.
Yeah, too busy.
Yesterday was
But it's Sunday, so everybody goes back to school tomorrow.
Sunday. Drive.
I'm driving.
You're looking over here at the camera trying to see yourself. No, drive. Whee!
You know what would be really good?
Ice cream?
Yeah, but that was what I was thinking. I was thinking Chick-fil-A, but they're not open
it's
today.
Sunday.
And you completely threw me off.
I'm sorry. Just what randomly popped into my head. It's normal. Well.
I've lost 6 pounds this week.
You know, no one knows that you're on a diet.
Well, because you didn't upload the video, so yeah.
Because I had like a whole week and a half full of video that I had to edit down to a
You
week.
still could have put it on there.
We should have done that yesterday.
You still could have done that. You didn't do it. It's not my fault.
You're being mean.
No, I'm not being mean. You're trying to blame it on me.
No, you want to know what the name of our, what I wanted to name the channel originally? It's Kevin and Michael in the car. Because this is all we do.
We do a lot of driving.
We do a lot of driving, and we do a lot of eating, and...
Get really, really bored of the car sometimes.
Well, that and now we have a third person to talk to. You! Or multiple people. I don't know how many people are watching this at the same time, but you get my point. You in the back row. Oh, no, wait. You're usually on the couch or in a car. Where are y'all at?
You with the bowl of ice cream eating?
I wish.
My ice cream. Shared.
How was yours, Michael?
It's good.
As always. Now we can actually videotape what you got. I got brisket as normal. What are your thoughts? What flavors are you getting on your palate?
Barbecue.
And coleslaw.
And coleslaw with a piece of carrot. Toast.
French fries and potatoes.
Oh, French fried potatoes.
French fried potatoes. I guess we should do that. I'm not going to be in this frame.
Don't do that.
And you won't be in the frame.
You really won't.
Oh, now I'm the only one in the frame.
How does it taste?
It is briskety. It tastes like cow. I don't like fat, so I want to use some of this today.
So you're going to cut out all the parts that make us.
Okay, so all the parts that make us is me cussing, by the way.
No.
Yes.
No, it's not.
They decided to call me Kevin Cow one day, and they're being mean to me.
No,
because
I decided to call you that.
I'm fat.
No. It's just what popped into my head that day. Randomly. But we're not sure if he's a regular cow or a sea cow.
I'm not a manatee. So, I made better as my food. Their spicy barbecue sauce is really good. want some for your fries?
Oh, all right.
Oh, I want to know. I like brisket. I just don't like the fat. But if you've had burnt ends, what is that? Because they always, it's part to do of the brisket, like of that part of the cow, but it's just crispy. Do they have fat on them? Are they chewy? What is it? Because I don't like chewy. So I want to know. Comment down below.
I should get the chicken barbecue.
Why the chicken barbecue?
It's the same thing.
That's why the chicken barbecue though.
I like chicken.
Chicken! Chicken!
So you can do a Doc's Family Special, which is 2 pounds of the famous original pork barbecue made from tender slow cooked Boston butts and smothered in sauce. Or 2 pounds of chicken barbecue, 2 pounds of baked beans, 2 pounds of potato salad,
I don't think like 2 pounds of
pounds of coleslaw, a package of rolls, 6 delicious homemade brownies, and a 2-liter drink. It's only $50. That's actually not that bad.
No.
A lot of food for $50.
I did the chicken barbecue.
Did I not just say chicken barbecue?
As I said, I would eat the chicken barbecue.
Science.
Yeah, trust me.
Huh?
For the mail service.
The trash can? Oh.
Randomly pulled it open, so I was like,
We had to order a new trash can.
randomly talk about it.
Yes, but you need to talk to the people that are on the phone. Because they're over there!
Oh! I thought you were talking about this.
Because they're watching!
I'm looking to see if they're busy. Nobody says that they're busy. You're complaining about O-taters.
What are O-taters?
That's the...
The place over in Ireland
Yeah.
that no one ever goes to, that's a potato place.
Yeah.
I haven't been there in ever.
Yeah, fine.
I guess we should try it maybe one day, but
This is a... Oh, that's what we should have eaten at the park. The Beer Fest, and they've got little beer foods at the Beer Fest tents.
this was Michael's idea. Oh, Michael's idea. Busch Gardens, let me know when you watch our videos so you can sponsor me to come eat your food. After Labor Day, Busch Gardens does close down to only weekends.
Yep. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
We are not a seasonal park. We do close down, or a year-round park. We're a seasonal park. Always look at the schedule. It's always subject to change.
And they close if it snows. Even though we're mostly closed after Christmas anyways.
But this is Virginia, and you will have snow in the summer some days. We have such random weather. The vast majority of the days are like today. It's actually really nice outside. It's 82?
86.
83 according to my watch.
According to my phone, it's 86.
Williamsburg is 83.
That's what I'm saying. Williamsburg, 86.
And it's supposed to get, it's going to be down to 80. It's supposed to be just cloudy all day, which is making it still much better actually.
It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Yes, I'm in here.
Up to Busch Gardens we go. Get
I
off your
might
phone.
have to get, I don't want to actually set the pineapple this time, though.
You want the churro one, don't you?
I don't know.
No. That's nothing but carbs. You're on a
We
diet.
have to walk a lot.
That's not how
Once
that
we hit-
works.
Once we hit 5,000 walks, 5,000 steps.
Oh my god.
I was going to say followers, but that wouldn't work too.
God, you would lose so much weight. That honestly, until we hit 100 subscribers, you should not eat sweets.
If you are going to suggest that, you need to actually put the videos up there. I'm not wasting my time.
I will. We have to record something. You have to be on top of me as well. You have to stay
on top of reminding me to get videos. We have to make a video every single day. We have to do it. If you want to do it, that's going to leak, so be careful.
I don't think I'll make it to the trash can.
I told you it's going to leak.
I can't really make it to the trash can.
But if you think he should do that challenge, go ahead and like and subscribe. Oh, wait, don't, because then he will lose a lot of weight. Oh, there's a spider web.
Give me drinks.
Can you grab the phone?
Meow. Why don't you grab your own phone?
Because I don't want to carry it in.
Color.
God, why does that?
No, that's white. That not white.
I'm not that white.
Look, that's dark.
Oh, wow, I do have a farmer's stand there.
I told you!
But it only shows up on camera.
No, it shows up in person.
I don't see it.
Yes, you do.
Not as bad as it does on here.
It's because your glasses are tinted.
Oh, mine are much darker than yours. I feel like you're jealous.
They are much darker than mine. It sucks.
Should have gotten these.
I didn't think about it. You told me to pick a color. I picked the color I liked.
Oh, you got brown glasses. That's the reason we got brown tint.
Yeah, that's why you told me to pick the color.
I'm glad you didn't get green.
That'd be kind of
Cool, weird.
weird. Cool.
I guess that would have been like camo color. Green and brown.
Whatevs. Look, mine on the hands.
A tire.
You're the last person who did that. It's just a retard, actually.
Left pull off area.
Let's go to Michigan.
Michigan.
Yeah.
Where's that at?
On the back of the places.
No, yeah, where's Michigan?
North.
Like north on the East Coast or north?
Like north in like Illinois, Chicago. North.
So northwestish.
I guess it's, yeah.
So like middle, are they in a different time zone?
They're up by Canada.
They're in a different time zone.
I think they're an hour behind us.
So they're
only
mountain?
121. So,
Where's that central?
Mountain.
Mountain.
I think it's mountain. East, mountain, central, west.
Yeah.
I think. And then Arizona.
If you're from that area, comment down below.
Tell us how wrong we are. Hey, don't say that with much faith.
No. I don't know geography. I don't know any. Well, I know Mimmel. That's the only thing I know. You don't know who Mimmel is. He's the little chef in the middle of the.
I remember you saying this before.
Mimmel.
Whack, comment down below. Where are we at? I'm looking at that one.
We only have one camera. This one now. Wow.